film this thing a little?
A little bit. Okay. I think Fran's on his way and I got another buddy showing up.
Alright. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is Diddy.
So
we had his Mustang on the dyno probably about a year and a half ago.
yeah, just about that.
At the old shop. What blower then?
D1 SC, about 18 pounds of boost, made 860 at the wheels. Unfortunately, that engine didn't last too much longer. I did an F1A94 on that one. I lost a time chain tensioner, and then it was down for a good amount of time. So here we are back today. New engine, sleeve block, boss crank, I-beam rods, 12-to-1 pistons, ported heads, cams, valve springs, pretty much everything you can do to a Coyote motor at this level.
Okay. And so that F1A94 is still now.
Yeah.
So you just did your first pull and you were surprised. We're not going to show the people yet.
Okay.
But you were shocked.
Definitely. Not too many people run Prochargers, especially the bigger centrifugals. A lot of people go turbo at this point. I understand why. Stick with Procharger.
And you're still on a man trans, aren't you?
Yes, still in a manual MT82, believe it or not. Stage grade, done by Ben Calmer, G-Force gear set, and gears 1 through 4.
Okay.
An 8.8 rear is not going to last anymore. And then, we'll see. With the power it made, it could potentially be an 8-second car. I just don't have the rest of the car up to snuff yet. The suspension's done. I just don't think the rear is going to take it. Or the clutch, for that matter, too. We'll see.
You shall. Well, at least your engine's...
Yeah. If I have a problem with this one, I think I'm out of the hobby.
Before you guys start emailing us, calling us, no, we do not tune Mustangs. No, we do not work on Mustang Fords or Dodges.
Fun Racing is taking care of the car remotely.
He's doing a remote tune. He's running out the dyno. He's also a good friend of Fran and us. He's been a friend of us for a long time. So he's running out the dyno and someone who specializes in Ford tuning, Lund Racing is remote tuning it for him. So do not call us about your Dodge, your Ford, whatever. I know what you're seeing. That does not mean we work on it.
It was limiter.
Yeah, it was definitely the limiter.
That was like 7,500 though.
I'm done.
Yeah, it was like right at 7,500 both times.
I'm surprised the first one you didn't hit the limiter though.
I think I was probably just right there.
Literally, it stopped at the exact same spot both times. So if he didn't hit it the first time, he was probably 50 RPM off of it.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Yeah.
I know you're not even believing it. That's
Use power.
yeah, this thing wants to go.
They put them in the tune too.
Tell them to unlimit it. Let's go.
I mean, it's just go.
Oh, I know. You gotta figure.
That's an SAE too.
I know. I'm gonna change this RPM. So it makes 1,019 to 6,500 and 1136 at 7,000. So it's picking up 115 per 500 RPM, and then 1243, which is like another 107. So it's pretty consistent. So if you have this thing to 8,000, we'll call it another 100 over that. It'd probably be 1,350 or so. If you could rev it to 8,000.
I think I'm good. I think make peak torque all the way to 7.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's what I mean. Torque is still good. Yeah. Yeah, it's literally making peak torque and they let off. Just because of boost too, but.
I deleted the wastegate setup. So that's kind of before my crash always had a curve to them. I think it's one more variable I just didn't want.
Yeah, okay.
More boost that time.
A little bit more, yeah.
So I thought he was done.
Yeah, he tried. But so I emailed Lund, and Lund sent us a revision. The limiter is now 9,000.
That's not happening.
He goes out that full, he goes, all right, I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah. But he needed a revision anyway. Lund said that it's got ID 1300s in it, and I guess he said that they started to go lean, so we raised the base pressure to 65, and then he put the like Cobra Jet rev limiter thing in there, and now the rev limiter's at 9,000, and we're gonna rev it to like 8,000 as full to 7,500, and we'll make 1,300. Air fuel will be good, and then we'll be done.
That's the place to get.
You look a little scared.
I'm stressed out right now. I was content with that. I want to leave, and that frame won't let me leave.
Well, I mean, you came here to do something, you know, you gotta...
I already did it. I met my goal. I want to get out of here.
Got that HB Tuners N gauge.
Actually, one racing engage. Yeah, it's version of it.
So what fuel are you on?
E85, pump E85 with C85 mix, and I am running meth injection also.
100% meth?
Yeah, 100% meth, dual 16-gallon nozzles.
Okay. Alright, let's see,
So
13.
I think that's the only reason why this car is hanging in there right now with the ID 1300s is having the meth helping it.
Well, we'll see what it does.
Yeah. Hopefully ever.
You got him all stressed out.
I know.
He's ready to be done.
Just let off when I hit the limiter again.
No. I thought these things were supposed to rev. Come on, man.
I know.
75 ain't nothing impressive.
I know. Not that high. Maybe 8,000. 8,000 is
Holy
Look on!
That's AE too.
Holy crap. Told you it would make 30 pounds too. Holy I was like, this thing's gonna make 30 pounds.
It did, yeah.
Pull my feet into the firewall.
It'd still be on again.
Dude, this thing, it blew the extra straps off of that thing. Oh my god. Woo.
Yep.
Are you glad you broke 1,300?
Yes.
See, I told you.
You didn't want to do it.
I didn't want to do it.
What'd you rev to?
That's
Don't even know.
a little over 8 he
Let's
went.
say 8,900.
82-ish.
It looks like it's signing off there anyway.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, 8150. Let me see what it is.
Let's see.
So smaller puller.
1340.
Nah, maybe not that high.
I can add about 4 more pounds of boost.
Oh yeah, 1337.
Damn, I'm good.
I wonder your injectors look like at this point.
I think I'm
30 pounds.
That's not good needle.
That could be why it's actually running out.
It could be. What's Y-band look like? I know you don't have it on this, but I'm...
Yeah, I don't
look at
know.
it.
Yeah, he's got it in my car.
Oh, okay.
7 something.
That's awesome.
Well, congratulations.
Much better.
Yeah, see? That's right. I don't work on Fords, but I'll get them to make more power.
You just gave in to peer pressure.
Yeah, I had to.
That's all it was.
I was here. He got lunged on the horn. It's time. I was like, all right.
Yeah, you're like, they're not available today. Fran's like, watch this.
They're driving down to the Mod Nats right now, so they pretty much said, you know, send us a log over, see what it looks like, and then he got on there and got a reply right back.
That's funny. Not bad. On that tire too.
Stick car, MT82.
Yeah, it's snowing.
I know, that's what I said earlier. I said he brought a Mustang into the shop and it's snowing out now. He's all worried and everything.
My heart's still racing.
And you weren't even on the road. Wait till you get this thing on the track.
Well, I tried some of the street data logs. I was playing on the 19s. I was getting over 100 miles an hour, just kind of rolling into it. It started blazing the tires off. I had no idea it was making this kind of power at the time, though.
Yeah. That's, you're gonna need these. Not bad.
Thank you,
Not
man.
at all. I'm not a big Mustang guy, but I'm impressed.
Appreciate it. That means a lot. That says a lot coming from you. If I took the hood off, it'd be a little bit better.
Exactly. See, now you're thinking. He said, now you gotta get the ZR1 back together so he can fuck you up.
It'd be a good race. We'll be on like 100 shot, maybe 150. It does get down on the fucking street.
He says she
Plus,
only
with the-
weighs like 3,300 pounds. He's got
Yeah.
about
CR1's probably 35 or 36 with me in it.
He rotates his wheel on the drag.
Not anymore, I got that fixed, but yeah, once I put the new motor in there, I mean, whenever the hell I decide to do anything with that, I'd like to make 950 boost only.
Yeah.
I'd like to make, you know, I don't know, maybe more than that, but
seeing what that red one made that was a little bit more mild, I don't see why you'd have a problem with
it should. We'll see.
that. Plus, you're not gonna tune with ice in the tank, so once ice is in the tank, it'll definitely be over that.
Yeah, whatever, we'll see. At some point, I'll probably put a motor in that thing. Not anytime soon.
What we were talking about Chevelle earlier. What's going on with that? Are you doing anything with that soon? I thought that was the winter project.
Everything's a winter project.
Yeah.
If only winter was like 9 months long, like everyone thinks it is, then we could have lots of winter projects. We need to go to track Sunday. Cody we're gonna run on 200 shot.
Okay.
I think Joey's going, Louie's going.
If you're watching this, it's probably today, because I'll probably have it for the Sunday
Okay, then today. We're at Cecil today.
if it's decent out.
Not season.
It's supposed to be good. Diddy was gonna go, but he's scared.
I am.
He was scared of doing the dyno pull.
It's a fresh build with a bunch of money. He's
I know.
nervous.
I can.
I remember I used to get nervous, like way back in the day. Like now it's just like whatever. Put on dyno.
I bet that rev limit pulled in.
I love high RPM. It just sounds so good. But if you're not used to that, that probably felt like a 4-minute pull to him.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Without RXT help.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't make that much.
What's that thing rated at?
Like 850?
Oh
What?
Jesus! His clutch.
The clutch, yeah. I don't know what they're rated at. Yeah, I mean they rate in torque.
No, we have 1,000. I think they think the 1,200 also.
Yeah, the RXC 1200 is. We've never
900.
used it, but I've heard a lot of people don't have good luck with it.
Yeah.
High RPM shifting, I think, is an issue they said with the 1200. We just use regular RXTs; they're great.
Yeah. But up to like that 800.
Yeah, we do a monster triple over that, but
Right.